I just wanted to walk through how easy it was to take a webinar recording and turn it into a podcast episode. I have already edited the webinar. I already posted that video to YouTube. Now I have that video local on my computer. So I opened up Adobe Audition, which you see here. I literally dragged the movie, right, the .mov file, into Adobe Audition. It splits it into an audio track. I drag the audio track into a multi-track mixdown, right? I recorded directly into this microphone a short intro and a short outro, and that was it. The whole thing probably took me 5 or 10 minutes. Now, granted, you have to have a podcast hosting setup. You have to have other things in place, but I just took a video, a piece of video content, turned it into a piece of audio content. Now, in the show notes, I have a link to the full video if somebody wants to watch it, but that is just an example of how easy it can be to repurpose content. This is what is meant by repurposing your content, right? Can you take the fact that we did a webinar about a month ago that had an active audience, which is great. We turned that into a video, which is now on our YouTube channel, which anybody can watch at any time. And now we're taking it even further and turning it into an audio only in the podcast. So be thinking about ways that you can take your content, repurpose it, redistribute it, because people consume content in different ways. So hopefully that helps. And now you know, and knowing's half the battle.